Thinking about opening a joint account with Monzo, whether it's for splitting bills, saving for a trip, or just managing money together, Monzo makes the whole process super simple. To start, both people need to already have individual Monzo accounts. Once that's set, open your app, head to the Home tab, and tap your profile picture, and you'll see the option to create a joint account. Just follow these steps. It only takes a couple of minutes. You'll both need to approve the request, and once it's done, you'll get a brand new account, complete with its own sort code and account number. You'll also receive a new Monzo card, which has slightly different color to show its link to your joint account. That way, it's easier to tell the two cards apart. Managing the joint account is just as easy as managing your personal one. You can create pots, set budgets, and get instant notifications for every transaction. If one of you spends money, the other gets notified too, so everything stays transparent. Splitting bills is another standout feature, whether it's groceries, rent, or subscriptions. Monzo helps you track who paid, and keeps everything fair. You can even set up scheduled payments and direct debits from the joint account, so no one forgets to pay the internet bill again. And if you ever want to close an account, it's just as easy. You can do it directly in the app, as long as both people agree. Joint accounts can take the stress out of shared finances, and with Monzo's clean design and helpful features, it's a great option for couples, roommates, or even close friends. If this walkthrough helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you have got questions or want a deeper dive into Monzo's features.